absolutely the best, absolutely the greatest, absolutely the most profound, and absolutely the most phenomenal right now, because the goal always indeed is to be so. Message and communication is for, first and foremost, thank you very much for the wonderful evening to you both wonderful people. ASS, which is amazing, spectacular, and supreme and superb. And SK, so spectacular, knowledgeable, right? This is Kaivan H. Irani, your friend, and I am expressing my heartfelt gratitude to y'all for the wonderful evening, the gift, and everything else. Really enjoyed your company, and I'm greatly appreciative of the great evening. Having said that, I would also appreciate if I have one person's birthday, special day. I'm going to appreciate if you can if you can provide me your special day, and also TK's special day, so that I can specifically reciprocate, because the law of reciprocity always works. And as I promised you that I am going to prepare a presentation, here is the presentation, thanking both of you for the extraordinary, astounding, outstanding, perfect evening right now, because that indeed is absolutely true. This is Kaivan H. Irani, your success facilitator. I repeat, your success facilitator, because I indeed truly am so. We've had a conversation a couple of times now. I'm going to touch upon something that comes from one of my mentors, Tony Robbins. Empowering questions. Empowering questions are the genesis of human focus. So we got to start focusing on what we can resolve and what kind of powerful outcomes, positive outcomes we can create for ourselves by asking specific empowering questions versus disempowering questions, right? Because I understand we are going to be unable to control what happens outside of our control. All we can do is we can only control our emotions and our thought processes, and every situation we got to learn, or we got to get habituated to ask ourselves an empowering question. So what's great about this situation right now, and what can we do to create the outcome right now, what we are looking for? You know, there's a saying in really a wise saying that I've heard quite a few times, and I genuinely believe so. The past is history. The present, the future is a mystery. The present is a gift. And that's the reason we say it's a birthday present. So the present is a gift. So focus on our present, and we can ensure that we create outcomes which are really positive, ecological, empowering, and positive for us, ourselves, as well as people around us. Again, this is Kaivan H. Irani, your success facilitator, your friend, and your well-wisher. And I genuinely and authentically wish well for both of you. And as promised, I'm doing the presentation. As promised that I am going to prepare a presentation thanking you for everything that you have done so far, for my birthday. And I really greatly appreciate the gift and everything else. And of course, most importantly, I enjoy the extraordinary, astounding, outstanding company that y'all provided me with, because it is really, really a privileged to have y'all at my house, and thank you again for everything. I expect that you are going to be really appreciating this presentation, because first, it takes extraordinary skill to prepare a presentation. Two, communication skills are extremely imperative and important right now, because that indeed is the goal. And of course, remember, as you are appreciating this presentation, as you are enjoying this presentation, do share this presentation with everybody you know, because this is a public presentation, this is on the public platform, and thus I'm refraining from mentioning anybody's full name here, because I respect your privacy, right? And thus, I am just mentioning your initials, and of course with the positive connotation, because that is extremely empowering and important. Every time you want to feel on top of the world, just come back to this presentation, observe the presentation, let it just go into a deeper part of your mind, and remember, magic is happening right now. Miraculous outcomes are happening right now. Because remember, you all always deserve the best.